this 50 go?
No drink and drive.
What the? This ain't the Mustang?
Alright, let's get this bad boy open. Okay, padding. Some 3M tape. More padding. We have the actual piece itself. So we have the extra, because this is 3M tape. We have some adhesive promoter, but I don't know why you would really want to put that on the leather right there. And what I don't understand is it already has 3M tape on it. So what's the purpose of this? Okay, first thing we're gonna do is get inside the car and wipe it down. Okay, so we're inside the car right now, and what you're gonna want to do is get you some alcohol and just wipe down all this leather or whatever you want to call it. Wipe it down, just clean it up, get rid of all the oils and grease and whatnot's on there. Just wipe it down real good. So this is how I did my 3M tape. I just peeled the back. It was kind of a headache, so you probably might just want to peel the tape all the way off and just sit it on there. And another thing, I'm not going to use the adhesive promoter because everything on this car is not permanent, because it is my daily work car. And with that adhesive promoter, I just don't want to be, if I decide to take this off, you know, that it tears up the little virgin leather or whatever you want to call it. So I'm not going to use the adhesive promoter. I think, you know, this thing won't move around that much, so it should just be good, you know, with some alcohol. Okay, so we have it on the car mock-up. Still had the 3M tape on. And what I noticed in these back corners, because the tape's peeled off about, you know, ½ inch, quarter of an inch, and you see how it don't want to stick properly on this side. And let's take a look at the other side too. So we're on the passenger side too, and like I said, you can see this far much of the tape is peeled off, and you can see how it wants to keep popping up. So I'm probably going to just put a little bit of adhesive promoter, from wipe it down from like here to there on both sides. I didn't really want to do it because I didn't want to mess up the leather, but you know, 9 out of 10 your seat won't be all the way back like that. I put the seat all the way back just to put it on, but normally the seat goes like that, so it probably wouldn't even be a big thing if it did pop up a little bit. Okay, when you're happy with the placement of the carbon center console thing, you just want to start peeling the tape back. And now once you peel the tape off, you just want to keep pushing and pushing and pushing and pushing. And another thing, you want to do this when it's, not so cold out. Or if it is that cold, just turn your heat, have your heat in your car set to a certain temperature. So this 3M will stick like it's supposed to be. And you can see in that corner right now, it's not moving or nothing like that. That's because that 3M adhesive is on there compared to before. So we're on the other side now, and you can see it's not going nowhere back in them corners. Like I said, just keep pushing. Get you a rag and just keep pushing, keep pushing, keep pushing. So you're probably saying, yeah, well, we already know you're going to do this in carbon and this too. But this is just a cheap old thing. I don't know if I want to do this in carbon because I have it done in my Mustang. And if you put carbon up here, then it's going to be rock hard, And I do, use it as an armrest. So I'm not worried about that. And this right here, I keep going back and forth. Should I do carbon fiber or some good Alcantara? Not none of them Amazon $8 kits, but something that matches the stock Alcantara. This stuff right here. For the simple reason is, they said this is my daily car, and I get off of work, see how dirty it is. Maybe doing this in carbon, buying a kit, then putting Alcantara right here, because you have drinks and sometimes it bounces around. And so right now I'm just debating on what I'm going to do with this part right here. Let me know in the comments what you would do with this right here. Should I go full carbon? Should I go a good Alcantara kit? Or just leave it alone? Comment below. Alright, there you have it. My Hansshow center console carbon fiber side trim. Hope you liked this video. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Don't drink and drive. Until next time, peace.